Hello, welcome to my channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to unbox something I got in the post. I am not getting paid to do this video from this company, but I do have a financial investment in with the company because I wanted to support them because I really do believe in their products. So I'm just going to unbox what goodies they sent me to say thank you. So we have, they do these nice healthy nutrition natural bars. So here's one box, and this one's peanut chocolate chip. So I'll show you what they're like in a minute. They're little miniature ones. And then we have chocolate sea salt. So you get them delivered in these lovely little boxes. So then we have these two bigger boxes. And this one is chocolate hazelnut. And then this one, we've got a lovely variety. So this is a mix pack that you can buy straight from their website, and I'll put a link below of their website details where you can actually purchase this straight from them, or you can buy them in the shops. So what one should I go for? I suppose I'll do the mixed pack first. So let's have a look what they've got in here. So we have 12 bars in here. And what I love about these products is the packaging is plastic free and they're home compostable. So they're very aware of their environment and social cultures. They've got a good ethos, this company. So let me just go through the different flavours that they have at the moment. So we've got cashew cookie dough. We have almond and vanilla. We have lemon and coconut. This is my favourite. So unusual. There's nothing else out there like with these flavours. Delicious. Peanut and chocolate chip. Chocolate orange. I haven't tasted that one, so I'm looking forward to trying that in a minute. Almond and vanilla. Chocolate sea salt. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got another 2 flavours because we've got 9 altogether. So we'll have chocolate and hazelnut. And I haven't tried this one. I'm going to try this one in a minute. Chocolate mint. So really nice flavours. So they've got lovely variety. And they're all really nice. All these products are Irish made, and they source their ingredients as locally as possible. They're all low in calories, high in fibre. There's no artificial flavourings or colourings. So they're all natural and very healthy. And they're reasonably priced too. They're cheaper than a lot of the competitors. I'm going to try chocolate mint one. This is what the bars look like. And I love the fact that they're not hard. They're nice and soft. And so I'm just going to break a little bit off like that. And try this. These are lovely. They've got a bit of crunch, but they're soft. And lovely flavour. Because some protein bars can be very dry. This isn't. That's really nice. I'm going to try the chocolate orange one. And the great thing about this company is that they actually invest in all real community projects that go around collecting plastic before they go into the sea. And they also finance planting trees. So all the bars that you buy, a portion of their profits go towards good community projects for plastic. So what's this one? Oh yeah, chocolate orange. So again, that's what it looks like. Just break a bit off. I can taste the orange straight away, but it's not overpowering. Again, the texture is perfect. That's really nice. I'll open one more. So this is the lemon and coconut. I would really recommend that you try these. So that's a slightly different colour to this one. So that's what this looks like. So you can see, even by looking at it, you can tell it's not dry like some protein bars. And it's lovely and soft and natural products. I love the fact it's got no artificial colours and flavourings. So I'll just try this one. This is definitely my favourite. Well, I like the other two as well that I just tried, but this is very different. You can taste the lemon and coconut. And it's just, and whatever way they've done it, it's just, it goes so nice together. I really would recommend you buying these. Yeah, I love the fact that this company is passionate about sustainability and environmental issues. So I really do like, you know, their whole attitude towards things like this, and the fact that they have the plastic-free packaging is great. And all the plastic that's collected, they reuse that plastic, and that recycled plastic is then used for new products. Their bars usually have 16 grams of protein. They're usually less than 12 ingredients inside their products. And when you read the ingredients, they're not these fancy names that you can't even pronounce. And it's basically chemicals and stuff usually that they try and hide with these big posh names. There's none of that in their ingredients. It's all natural, which is just great. And that's why I'm happy to support this company. There's nothing artificial. They spent 5 years perfecting their recipes. They went through hundreds of recipes to get it right. So they really wanted to make sure their products were good before they went out on the market. The two guys that started it together, they gave up their full-time jobs to really go for this. And so I do admire everything they've done so far. So their website is in the link below, and their website is allrealnutrition.com. So I hope you do go out and buy these bars and support this company that has good sustainability ethos. The big normal bars are 50 grams. And in these little boxes, we have smaller ones, because sometimes you don't want necessarily a big one. So on your break at work or whenever, you just want a little bar. They've got these really cute 25 gram bars, and that's just perfect little for a little snack. So you have your normal size ones at 50 grams, and you've got these little cute ones at 25 grams. So if you don't want that big bar, you just take one of these with you and have them throughout the day. So it's great that they have that choice. I think that's a fabulous idea. So if you wanted to get these in the shop or get them sent straight from the website, they do these small ones. So I've got here chocolate sea salt and peanut and chocolate chip in the smaller ones. So I just want to say good luck to this company, because they really do deserve to do well. And they are Irish based. They're based in Killarney in County Kerry, but they are doing their products all over the place, and at the moment they are going into America. So I wish the company all the luck in the world. Okay, thanks for watching, and I look forward to doing more videos for you.